everybody, today we are getting our second video from our outlet 2. So first one was a grand hit in the YouTube fraternity, and today we are getting our video again from outlet 2. So let me just tell you about Mystic Studio and myself. So I am Nidhi Tandon from Mystic Studio, and we are an 18-year-old brand, humbly with you throughout the Instagram, which is 8,500, throughout the Facebook, which is 35,000, and now the YouTube, even if we have 2,000 plus followers, we are in boutiques all over India, all over the world with our supply. So be in our network. We have 14 groups running. We have special groups for resellers, retailers, single piece buying, and our motto is to encourage people who are people from the exhibition world, who want pieces for exhibitions, who want pieces for startups, who want for their small time boutiques. We are with you. You need to buy an amalgamation of at least 12 pieces or a 15,000 worth of buy. That's how we are. Parcel opening video is very important. COD is a strict no-no for our brand. We have DTDC couriers for India and DHL for abroad. So I think I've made all the points clear. So let's start with a humble start. Thank you. So this is a very pretty nice quad, and this has got pearl work, and the detailing of pearl is also down below. It's a muslin premium piece, and the size is medium to a size 46 for this one. The price is only and only 2650. Another piece is this. So it's a complete festive edit. The size for this is size 40 only. So 38 और 40 वाले ही इसको लेंगे या स्मॉल वाले लेंगे. Price is only and only 22.99. So 22.99 for this gorgeous piece out here. Another one is this. So this one is a size medium, and this one is a size double XL. So XL to double XL can apply for this one. It's a complete thread work. And the price for this gorgeous piece is 1,888 only. And it's a beautiful, nice article. And now the next piece coming up is a batch of black, which we are showing you. The whole batch of black I will show you first, so that you can have a whole black collection with you. Because of the Taj parties, because of the different parties happening now all pan India, I would like to show you some blacks. So this is a muslin piece, which is really a gorgeous piece, all Kardana work. It's a muslin crepe edit and a premium piece for 2,888 only now. Size is medium to 44, free size. Another black, actually black de piche se, is this. And this is XL to 3XL size. All in all, beautiful work and a very nice, royal, nice number. And a 2588 kind of a piece, which is a imported crepe georgette. Another black is our butterfly black. So we have a few sizes available, and the sizes available till a size 3XL for this one. So the price is 21.99 only. 21.99 only. Another black is this. Now this is also a gorgeous pure georgette black. जैसे आपका pure georgette के हमारे काफ्तान्स होते हैं, ये pure georgette का हमारा quad है. Medium to double XL is available. Price is 2650 only. Next. So when I mean only, that means we have really worked hard on the pricing. Now this is the Shisha wala, very nice concept. You can wear for your different Taj parties and stuff like that again. And forever piece between sundowners and weddings and all. And this particular piece in the mirror work is available till 3XL. The price is only and only 22.99. Another piece. We have a few sizes in this beautiful black edit. And this is all temple work. Price is 1495. So it's all temple design like you file in Nandi sarees. 1495 only. Another gorgeous piece and an imported. I think ये वाला दोनों pieces similar है, quite similar है. ये वाला जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया था, ये 3XL तक जा रहा है. ये वाला आपका जा रहा है medium to large तक. Medium to large तक जा रहा है guys, ये वाला quad. ठीक है? और the next piece I would like to show you is this. This is again an imported classic piece. इसमें colors दिखा दो please. बहुत प्यारा सा piece है ये भी. And this is a imported nice piece, all embroidered classic series. इसका second color है ये. इसमें size जा रहा है 42 तक, medium to 42, और इसका size जा रहा है 44 तक. So इसमें दो आ गए guys. And the next piece which I would like to show you in this imported concept is this one. Medium to 42 is available guys for this. A highly restocked piece by Mystic Studio is this one. It's a medium to a size 44. पैचवर्क और इस तरह से इसका टाई नॉच आता है. बहुत रिच लगता है ये पीस और बहुत ही क्लासिक लगता है. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू सम फेस्टिव कोड्स. और फेस्टिव कोड्स में हम आपको ये दिखा रहे हैं धोती कंसेप्ट, 2 कलर्स. एंड इसमें पोटली निकाल दो इसकी. दिस इज द पोटली. यू आर रेडी टू रॉक एनी पार्टी विद दिस. Sizes available at till size 46 for sure, and the piece is really beautiful. Medium to 46 possible and available. Price is 2588. So starting our festivity with a beautiful nice quad with this beautiful nice tulip pants. This piece is only 1888, and it has this belt to tighten and loosen it, and this is all real mirrors. Another such piece is this. So ये वाला भी आपका straight pants के साथ है, पोटली है. Prices 2199 only. Sizes are available till 3XL. Another piece is again with straight pants, 46 size तक again ये भी available है, and the price is 2199 with real mirrors. And now showing you another beautiful quad, and do not miss it. We have it till size 48, 52 also. From a medium. It's really a rich nice quad. ये आगे ही रखना आपसे. Next piece is this. So this is all on all handwork. पूरा का पूरा जो concept अगर आप इसका देखोगे तो 44 size तक available है first of all medium से, और price is 2588, and look at the amount of work. It's really gorgeous and it's a premium quad. आप किसी भी festivity में डाल सकते हैं. Then another one out here are the famous Kaddana quads, और इसमें आपको आए दिन कलर्स और साइजेस मिलते रहते हैं. तो मैं आपको ये 3 कलर्स दिखा रही हूँ, और उसके बाद अब जैसे ऐड ऑन हो जाएंगे कल नए कलर्स. ये हमारे पास क्वाड इतना ज़्यादा हमने इस आउटलेट में ऑलरेडी more than 250 pieces, more than, you can see Sharif's face also, more than 250 pieces sold to people all over India, all over the world with this chiffon sleeves. So the next piece out here is this. ये हमारा है बहुत प्यारा सा अगेन क्वाड मसलिन का, और इसमें भी बेल्ट से आप टाइटल लूजन कर सकते हैं. एंड द प्राइस इज ओनली 1650. जैसे कि मैंने आपको अभी बटरफ्लाई क्वाड दिखाया था विद सम पाकिस्तानी पैंट्स. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल नाइस क्वाड. डू नॉट मिस इट at 2199. Next piece. Now these are formal quads. They are inspired by a designer. पहले तो इसकी बैक दिखा रही हूँ और इसका सीक्वेंस देखिए. They are just fab pieces, and this is the front. The price for these are 3288, and they are gorgeous pieces. And they are pure pieces and बहुत ही बेहतरीन fabric है with a lining. They are amazing work of art. Another piece is this. This is also a super rich classic. Good for your Karwa Chauth mornings that you don't want to wear a suit. This is a perfect option for you guys. Look at this. The price is 2999 only. Another one is only medium large left in this. I can ask in the other outlet, maybe we have more sizes. The price is 2588 only. Another one, Sharif इसी तरह लगाना आप, is this. Only unfortunately medium large is available in this beautiful quad, which is a pure linen cotton blend. Unless and until we restock it, it's a class apart series, and the price is 2588 only. Another one is this. So this is also single piece left, guys. Size is only medium large. The series is over. Price is 1999 now. Another quad is a Pakistani quad. Now this is also a very rich quad. और इसके अंदर जो highlight है is this bottom with this flowers. So ये बहुत rich सा quad है with the linings. Amazing look. Classic buy for only 2999. And the next one is the best seller. चलिए ये दे मुझे. बेस्ट सेलर रहा है हमारा और पाकिस्तानी कोड है. इसमें वेरियड साइजेस हैं. तो अभी जो मेरे हाथ के साइजेस हैं मैं बता देती हूँ कि किस पर एंड हो रहे हैं. ये वाला 2XL पे एंड हो रहा है और ये वाला 3XL पे एंड हो रहा है. दे आर गॉर्जियस कोड्स फॉर एवर एंड ब्यूटिफुल. द नेक्स्ट ऑन द लाइन आर क्वाड्स ऑन सेल. इसमें सारे साइजेस मिलेंगे आपको. पूरा का पूरा कटदाने का काम है. प्राइस नाउ इज 2299 ओनली. Another gorgeous lilac quad. Sizes available up till 3XL और 2XL तो रहेंगे ही. ये सारा पैच है. इस तरह का फॉलिंग हैंगिंग्स है. पाकिस्तानी लुक है. Prices only and only 2499. Another very pretty quads are these ones and we have a few sizes available in these and this is all in all applique work. बहुत प्यारे से quads है. Forever है और linen and cotton का blend है. Going to another lavender and the same stories Mystic Studio is this one. So these I forgot to tell you the rate for these two. पहले तो इन दोनों का आप रेट ले लीजिए. ये अब सेल पे चला गया है 1999 पर. और ये वाला हमारा पूरा कटदाने के साथ है क्वाड. इसमें भी आपको साइजेस मिल जाएंगे एंड द प्राइस इज ओनली 1495. Another quad which is going 1495 is a crepe quad which was unbelievably not going. So ये आपको पूरा का पूरा 46-44 तक का चार्ट मिल जाएगा. For you to stock up if you're a reseller, the price will be 1495. The next piece is this. We have a few sizes or it's over. Over series, medium large, beautiful piece. Now going on sale at 1999. जो भी single रहता है मैं 1999 कर देती हूँ. A few pieces available in this gorgeous quad. This is all shisha. एंड इसमें है मीडियम और डबल एक्सेल गाइस. इसको भी हम 1495 कर रहे हैं. एंड द लास्ट क्वाड नाउ इज अ गॉर्जियस क्वाड अवेलेबल टिल द 3XL. इज गोइंग ऑन at 2199 ओनली. इट स्टार्टेड एट 2650. सम मोर अनस्टिच सूट. सो पहला अनस्टिच सूट दिखा रही हूँ विद अ वेरी नाइस वर्क. पिटा हुआ हाथ का काम विद अ बनारसी बॉर्डर आउट हियर. Look at the back for the purity of the fabric and that's the look. So this is a gorgeous piece and the price is 2588. Another one is this. So this one is a pure piece and this reminds me it's of a designer and it's inspired by a designer. Look at the pani sequence coming. It's just a gorgeous piece. Price is strictly on demand. Another very very classic piece. बहुत सुंदर पीस दिखा रही हूँ मैं. ये आपका मसलिन का पीस है बनारसी प्योर में. दिस इज द लुक एंड दिस इज द दुपट्टा. बहुत प्यारा सा नाइस पीस है. Another one is again a sequence piece. It's a gorgeous ivory with little hues of pink and peach down below and the back. So ये सूट्स जो मैं दिखा रही हूँ ये कभी भी आपके कभी भी स्टिच में हो ही नहीं सकते. ये वैसे वाले पीसेस हैं. सुपर सॉफ्ट ऑर्गेन्जा पीस विद दिस गॉर्जियस लटकन एंड अ बनारसी बॉर्डर. एंड नाउ दीज आर द हाईली रीस्टॉक पीसेस इन आवर अनस्टिच सीरीज which are really nice, good for gifting, good otherwise. And very very rich numbers. The price is 2299 today. Another one light green is this 1888 only with the organza dupatta. Another one is a gorgeous pista color. So this is a good nice pista color. It's exactly a pista color with a beautiful बनारसी दुपट्टा. ये देखिए बैक ऑफ द दुपट्टा से आपको इसकी रियलिटी पता चलती है. वर्क इज रियली इंट्रिकेट एंड द पीस इज गॉर्जियस. Another piece on sale is this. This is also 1888 प्योर मसलिन का पीस 1888 पे, और ये है आपकी बैक. Another very nice हल्दी मेहंदी पीस overly restocked is this. बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है ये. प्राइस इज 2588. Another piece. ये आपका सुपर सॉफ्ट ऑर्गेन्जा का पीस है. That's the look with a very nice pure दुपट्टा. Price is 2588. Another gorgeous piece is this. Now this is a very nice royal piece. ये देखो आप किसी की भी हल्दी में यूज कर सकते हैं. With a pure दुपट्टा. That's the vibe of the piece. 2588. Another piece is again a zari piece on sale. 1888 only. And now some stitch suits. So stitch suits में हमारे पास ये बहुत gorgeous सा पीस है मस्टर्ड येलो में, और ये है इसकी लटकन, और ये है इसकी स्लीव्स. साइज इसका जाएगा एक्सेल तक. प्राइस इसका जाएगा ओनली एंड ओनली 2299. Now this is by a designer. I think yesterday also we sold this piece, and today again we have this piece, and it's a very special piece. Look at this. इसकी शिमा की ट्रिमिंग्स है. बहुत प्यारा सा आर्टिकल है. ये आपकी एम्ब्रॉयडरी है. दिस इज द लुक. प्राइस इज ओनली एंड ओनली 2650. Another piece for 2650 which will go till a size 48 is this. Sorry, I'm so sorry to misquote it. This is 2888 with a beautiful dupatta. 2888 और प्योर बनारसी का पीस है. 2888 only. Another stitched piece is this. Royal and stitched. Medium to size 44 is available. Price is only and only 1650. Another royal piece is this. ये आपका अनारकली आ गया गाइस. ये इसका स्लीव्स आ गया, और ये इसका गॉर्जियस दुपट्टा आ गया. ठीक है. प्राइस ऑफ दिस ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटी इज ओनली एंड ओनली 2999. And now showing you Royalty Unlimited. This is actually by a designer. It's a pure and a pure piece. Size 50 तक जाएगा. Price is strictly on demand for this piece. इसको आराम से देखिएगा. It is by a designer. What you get at different multi-designer stores. We all know what I'm talking about. Lurex Georgette is 1200 rupees a meter. So obviously the price of this piece with block printing would be expensive outside. It is a designer piece for people who understand class, and plus size available. Starting with a festive collection and a Pret range Mystic Studio is this beautiful nice pieces, and let me explain the pieces to you. This is a organza top. पूरा का पूरा बहुत सुंदर वर्क है, and it's a very special pure piece. Pure का चिनॉन जॉर्जेट का लोअर है, and they are really pretty pieces. Price is strictly on demand. Another piece is again a gorgeous piece. Look at the flow of the piece. Its price is again on demand, and it's a really pretty piece. Look at this, really pretty piece. Another article is this. Now this is a royal number. This is all handwork and a gorgeous piece. Look at the drape. So it's a beautiful nice number, and there are two colors to it. The second color is a blue. So it's again a pure piece. Beautiful nice numbers are these. The most highly restocked piece is back. So we have a entire Kaddana Anarkali. This is the work. It's a gorgeous piece. Again a beauty with the lowers And another piece which I'm showing you is available till a size medium to a XL, and again royalty. Another piece is a double georgette, very rich article, and this is the work on it. And do not miss the work on the dupatta, it's gorgeous. And another piece is a muslin diaries in a pure muslin. The size is available till 3XL. It's a very rich muslin series. ये आपका बैक आ रहा है इसका. And this is the piece. Another piece is again a trendy lower. सबसे पहले तो हम lower दिखा रहे हैं आपको. मसलिन सिल्क का पीस है. Lower is really trending. And पूरा का पूरा कटदाने का काम. That's your back. And now it's a celebrity piece inspired by a celebrity. This is a garara, and this is the shirt, completely a stitched article. Another one is this. Do not miss it. अब इसका हमारा साइज कंस्ट्रेंट है बिकॉज इसकी हमारे सारे बहुत ज़्यादा कमेंट्स आएंगे, मुझे पता है, क्योंकि शिफले का प्रीमियम पीस है. ये इसकी शिफले की पैंट्स, पूरा कटवर्क है, कटवर्क की स्लीव्स और इस तरह का ट्रेंडी दुपट्टा. Another piece to go is a go to piece. ये भी आपका स्टिच पीस है, बट इसमें भी कंस्ट्रेंट है साइज का, मीडियम और लार्ज ही है इसमें. And now ushering in two beautiful pieces in the series are these. ये आपके straight pants के साथ है. The colors available are only these now. The series is almost over. Is this and this with the mirror work. So straight pants hai, size is available till 46 size, and showing you another suit in this series. Do not miss it. It's again a gorgeous piece with pom-poms, pom-pom lace, perfect for little occasions. Size available till size 46, and ये आपकी bottom में भी pom-poms. ठीक है. Next piece is a kaftan. So I think ये भी हमारे पास एक ही बचा है. Size is available till a size 46. A gorgeous pure white piece. ठीक है. White की भी क्षमता होती है, and people do not understand ये dirty white है या white है. आप प्लीज कैमरा में देखिए, कैमरा में जो कलर है वो ही कलर है, उसके अलावा कोई कलर नहीं है हमारे पास. So this is the piece. ठीक है. Price is strictly on demand on this pure piece. Size available till 46 size. And now going to a gorgeous piece now. इसका प्राइस शायद आपको ज्यादा लगे, बट ये प्योर का पीस है. पहले तो आप इसका कटदाना देख लो, और प्योरिटी आपको शायद स्क्रीन पे दिख ही रही होगी. ठीक है. दोनों तरफ है. एंड दैट्स द बैक. सो इट्स अ गुड पीस. Available till a size 46. Or now you see the second color of this. Both the colors are equally gorgeous. That's your back. Isn't it beautiful? The next piece, showing you a gorgeous series of kaftans, and they are pure pieces, and you can see the handwork. This is the first two pieces which are full size, long ones, like gowns. And another two pieces are these. Aren't they gorgeous? They're just beautiful. And now I'm showing you a very classic edit. This is with trousers. That's the sleeves. It's a very rich, nice article out here. And another one to go is this. So these are two beautiful, nice numbers. And now showing you a very nice teal color. ये बहुत सुंदर सा teal है guys. Don't miss it. I'll quickly show you the series of kaftans. This is a metal work. इसी में एक आपका ये वाला आ गया. ये देखिए, बहुत pretty सी embroidery है इसकी. Then we have this ombroi. Another ombroi. ये बहुत प्यारे प्यारे काफ्तान्स हैं जो कि वर्ल्ड फेमस है. They are trending all over the world with us. And if you spot it anywhere with anybody, it's ours and ours. Nobody else's. It's just ours. Otherwise, it's copied. I claim that it will be copied. Look at this. So that's my claim for that. And then we have another one. Here you go with another piece. Another one is this embroidery. They are gorgeous pieces. I'm sure you haven't seen them if you've not seen it with us. And then we have some kaftan quads like this. So iske niche palazzo hai. We have this one. This one again a kaftan quad. Another beautiful kaftan quad. And these two. Aren't they beautiful and rich? Yes, they are. Starting with a beautiful Sharara series, and you can see this beautiful nice number and a perfect festive edit. और इस तरह से है इसका दुपट्टा. Look at this. The price is strictly on demand. And then we have this beautiful mustard yellow piece. Sorry for the crushes. It's a new arrival for the recording today. This is the sleeve. And now let me show you the lower. मैं आपको lower भी दिखा देती हूँ इसका, so that you have a great view of the piece. So this is the entire view of the piece. दोनों का अलग अलग लगो. So piece 1 is this in the mustard yellow heavy collection. Another heavy piece is this. So ये आपका एक और piece आ गया. That's the back view of the piece. And this is the lower. So this is a little lighter on the face of it. And now a very pretty purple. ये भी बहुत प्यारा सा stitch piece है. और look at the lower. It's gorgeous. And the next piece to go is this. So this collection, we haven't named the pricing of it on the screen purposely. This is the look of it. And then we have these gorgeous pieces. ये दोनों देखिए आप. Perfect for little occasions. This is with a divider. And another one out here is this one, lilac. And the next to go is some of the yellow collection again. And these are very funky collection है ये वाली. So ये है इसका दुपट्टा और बहुत ही funky collection है. Look at this one. Then we have this in the yellow. Again, that's the back view. And another one is this. Isn't it pretty? Do not miss this gorgeous piece. Lilac de do. And the last two pieces of the day are some beautiful lilacs which I will show you. The lilac is really in. इसका आप sleeves don't miss करें. और this is with a sharara. इसके नीचे शरारा है guys, lilac. And another lilac again with a sharara. This is also with a sharara. Look at this. Very rich, nice collection. So ending today's video, thank you everybody to watch this video. And if you haven't watched it properly, please watch again. This is a gist of Mystic Studio, which we are putting across from our second outlet of Delhi.